create your own components library without coding. In WebWave, you can use predefined element groups to build your dream website easier and faster. You can also create your own element group and use it on other websites made in WebWave. Select the elements you'd like to use to make your own template and press Ctrl+G. Then, click on this icon and go to the My tab, and then select Add. Great! You just created the first element group that you can edit just as you please. Thanks for watching this video. Remember about 30% discount for your first website in WebWave Website Builder. Thank you. See you next time.